Hello my lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you the recipe. It's very easy to make and very delicious, personally one of my favorite. That's a fried pomfret fish. So without further ado, let's get started. So before starting the cooking process, I'm cleaning the fish by removing the extra skin, gills, and making a long slit on the stomach to clean the guts of the fish. Then I'll make slits on both sides of the fish so that the spices can enter through it. As you can see, these are the slits that I need on both sides of the fish. Now I'll prepare my spices. I'll list down the ingredients on the description box below. For mixing everything together, I'm using a little bit of lemon juice and a little bit of water. I'll mix everything together till all the spices are combined very well. This is the perfect consistency. Now goes the fish. Now I'll coat the fish with the spices very well till the spices enters each and every corner of the fish. Do not leave any corner uncoated because then it will taste blunt. As you can see, I'm coating it very well. Then I'll just leave it for 1 hour in the fridge. Pour the oil till the fish is halfly dipped in the oil. Then I'll fry the fish in low to medium flame for 5 to 7 minutes each side. Then I'll just flip the fish. As you can see, a very nice golden brown color has appeared. This color is the perfect color that I want. And the fish is ready to munch. I'll just take them off the fire and plate them. If you guys like this recipe, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching.